Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix no sound in CapCut PC. So if you're editing like crazy but cannot hear audio when editing your videos on a CapCut PC app, so this is the most common and frustrating problems, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the solution in this video. So what you need to do here is just go to the menu at the top and go to the CapCut settings. Now click on the edit options. Sorry, not this one, the performance tab in here, and scroll down until you see the sound output device. So you can just click on the drop down and choose the correct sound output device in here, the one that you use. And you can click on save after that. And if it's still not working, you can go to the volume options in here, click on this adjust or select a sound output, and in here you can just here scroll down until you see the CapCut icon and make sure that the volume is in the maximum. So you can adjust the slider in here. You can just go with 100. You can also click on this gear icon to edit it more to see the output device in here. Make sure that it is the output device that you use. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next one.